Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Binance account permanently. The first thing you want to do is simply go and open up your browser. Now this tutorial is going to work on any device including phones, desktop, all that is going to work. So you simply go to Google and research Binance. Make sure it is your official website, binance.com. Then what you want to do is click login in the top right, and it's going to remember my login, so I am going to click on login, and I'll probably have to go to do verification, so I'll do this now. And then I have to do my 2FA as well. So now I am logged in. Binance have hidden this deleting your account feature quite a lot, so do keep watching right until the end. So just click on your icon, go and click on this arrow point at the right here. Then you want to go on the left and simply click on security. Now as you can see here, it says disable your account. Now to go and delete your account, you must click on here, and then it brings you the option. People think disabling account doesn't mean deleting it, but there are two options. As you can see, I'm going to click disable account, and we've got two options here: disable this account, or do you want to delete your account, which of course we want to do. So just remember guys, it's a bit hidden, but that's how you are going to do it. And then you want to just click on this delete account, and it's going to take you here. You have to read over it and then tap on this confirm to delete. So if you decide not to use Binance anymore, then move to another site. So this is the reason. So that's how you can delete your Binance account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.